Hare Krishna and Namaskaram to each and everyone. Today I thought I'll teach a Krishna bhajan that you can sing on special occasions like Krishna Janmashtami or on ordinary days when you do the puja. So are you interested? If you are, please join me and let's start singing. The song is titled Bhajare Gopalam Manasa. The ragam is Indolam and the composer of the song is Sadashiva Brahmendrar. Let's start singing. The song always starts with Pallavi and that is Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa. Now it's your turn. Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa. Pallavi, when you're singing it for the second time, then there is a bit of variation. And this is how it is. Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Manasa. Now let's sing it together. Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam. Is it clear? Now let's sing the Pallavi together. Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam. Now let's learn to sing Anupallavi and Charanam. Bhaja Gopalam Bhajita Kuchelam. It's simple and plain. Bhaja Gopalam Bhajita Kuchelam Trijagamulam Diti Sutakalam Trijagamulam Diti Sutakalam Diti Sutakalam Bhajare Gopalam. If you learn how to sing the Anupallavi, then the Charanam is the same and it sounds the same, only there is a difference in the lines of the song. So let's learn the Anupallavi part 2 and Charanam. Agamasaram Yoga Vicharam Agamasaram Yoga Vicharam Bhoga Shariram Bhuvanadharam Bhoga Shariram Bhuvanadharam Bhoga Shariram Bhuvanadharam Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam. Now let's learn the Charanam. Natamandaram Nandakishoram Natamandaram Nandakishoram Hatachanuram Hamsaviharam Hatachanuram Hamsaviharam Hatachanuram Hamsaviharam Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam. Now let's sing the whole song together.
भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम् भज गोपालम् भजितकुचेलम् भज गोपालम् भजितकुचेलम् त्रिजगमूलम् दितिसुतकालम् त्रिजगमूलम् दितिसुतकालम् भज रे गोपालम् आगमसारम् योगविचारम् आगमसारम् योगविचारम् भोगशरीरम् भुवनाधारम् भोगशरीरम् भुवनाधारम् भज रे गोपालम् नतमन्दारम् नन्दकिशोरम् नतमन्दारम् नन्दकिशोरम् हतचानूरम् हंसविहारम् हतचानूरम् हंसविहारम् भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम् मानस भज रे गोपालम्. Thank you.